So right now, as I'm recording this, Comic-Con 2016 is going on, and that means we're getting tons of new footage being released on the internet from all kinds of movies, and that means I'm going to be talking to you about the new footage released from the Justice League. So one of the most anticipated movies of next year that people are both excited about and terrified of is Justice League, directed by Zack Snyder, the director of Man of Steel and the director of Batman v Superman. Since both of those movies were so divisive, people have no idea what to expect from this movie, and it seems a little bit like the WB's trying to do a little bit of damage control and change the perception of these movies and change the tone that people are expecting from these movies. So they released this trailer, and I'm pretty excited about it. It has a very different tone from Man of Steel and Batman v Superman in that it's very quippy, very jokey, and you can tell these characters, they're going for a much lighter tone where the characters have more fun chemistry between them, just having a good time with the little one-liners, the little jokes back and forth. And really, this trailer doesn't give us any idea of the plot other than somebody bad's coming and Batman is trying to get together a team of people to battle them. And so in that, we get introduced to the new members of the Justice League that we haven't met thus far, the people that we saw just the little video clips of in Batman v Superman. And in that, it looks pretty cool. On the one I'm not so crazy about is Cyborg. It seems like a tough sell, and they didn't give us much here to endear him to us. On the other side of that, you get to see Aquaman and see the kind of direction they're going with it and see how, like, it really, you can see how it would work. It wouldn't just feel bizarre to see a guy in an orange suit that talks to fish battling alongside Batman. It makes sense. And then likewise, The Flash, what the fear on my part as a fan of the TV show is that they wouldn't find the right way to give it the right vibe, but they did. He feels totally different from the Grant Gustin from the TV show, while still having fun, his own little charm to him, and some nice back and forth dialogue. What was cool about this trailer is that it gets you excited without telling you too much about the movie, other than what you already know, which is they're bringing people together, and then telling you kind of the different tone, which I think is exactly what they needed. And I think this trailer is going to give a lot of the skeptics what they want to see, which is a fun DC comic book movie, which we haven't really gotten in a long time. Just a pure fun, not in the tone of Marvel movies, but in the sense that Marvel movies can be dark and have a serious side to them, but they're just all fun, and it looks like Justice League is going to be that. So I really enjoyed this trailer. Please check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the section below, and thank you for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe.